Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today I am going to show you how to open snaps on Snapchat web. And can we really open snaps using our Snapchat web and not our mobile? So let's figure it out. First, you have to go to any web browser and then type snapchat.com, and you will see here options like login, chat, and then get it from Microsoft. You can also download this if you go to the top right corner and then click download. So this is what it looks like. We have here our Snapchat. And what you want to do is to, of course, log in your email or your username. You can also log in using your phone number if you want. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up. So type your username or email address and the password and click chat now. So here you will see the conversation of your friends. So if you want to open a snap, then you just have to click the message. But as you can see here, I can open the snap, but unfortunately, I cannot view it. It says open the mobile app to view. So it means that this feature is not yet available in Snapchat web. Okay, so you can open your Snapchat, but you cannot view it unless these are just normal messages or photos or videos. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.